Good day, everyone. We are Group 1 of ITS 200, Section D. Today, we're going to present our project in DBMS 1, which is the Database Management System 1. Our DBMS or Database Management System project is a class scheduling management system at Negros Oriental State University designed to efficiently organize class schedules in an academic institution. It manages key information such as students, subjects, instructors, rooms, and time schedules while preventing conflicts like overlapping classes, double book rooms, and instructor schedule classes. The system is important because manual scheduling is time consuming and error prone. By using a well-structured and normalized database, the system ensures accurate records, data consistency, reduced redundancy, and improved performance. To achieve this, we applied database normalization from unformalized form or UNF to third normalized form or 3NF to create an efficient and reliable database design.
Okay, so first is we have the overview. So this presentation provides an all-in-one explanation of our class scheduling management system, focusing on how database normalization is applied from a normalized form or UNF up to third normal form or 3NF. It explains how raw and unorganized data is gradually transferred into a well-structured and efficient database design. Through this overview, we aim to show the importance of organizing data properly to avoid redundancy, maintaining data integrity, and ensure accurate scheduling of classes. Each normalization stage is discussed clearly to help viewers understand how the database evolves step by step, making the system more reliable and suitable for real-world academic use. By the end of this presentation, viewers will have a clear understanding of how normalization improves the performance and reliability of a class scheduling management system and why implementing a 3NF database design is essential for effective school management.
The main goal of the class scheduling management system is to design an efficient and reliable database that can accurately manage class schedules without conflicts or errors. By applying proper database normalization from UNF to 3NF, the system reduces redundancy, ensures data integrity, and maintains consistency. This structured approach helps prevent scheduling conflicts, minimize manual errors, and supports efficient academic management within an institution.
So, this table that you are seeing on the screen are unformalized form or UNF. So, table name UNF course offering row. So, in this table, all information related to class scheduling is stored in a single table. It includes subject code, description, instructor name, instructor email, rooms, start time, end time, student ID, and student name. If we observe closely, we can see that that the same subject, so like for example, ITS 200 or Database Management System 1 occurs multiple times. So the instructor name, email, room, and schedule are also repeated for every student enrolled in that class. So this happens because each rows represent one student enrolled in class and in a class, not a unique class schedule. So even though the class details are the same, they are duplicated for each student. So this is why this table is considered unformalized form because it represents how data is initially collected before applying proper database normalization. So in the next stage or in the next discussion, which is the first normal form or 1NF, we will reorganize this data to remove repeating information and improve the structure. Okay. So let's move on and first NF, which is the first normal form table. So this table represents the first offerings in our class scheduling management. In this table, each rows represent one specific class schedule. All the attributes such as subject code, subject description, instructor email, room, day, start time, and end time contain only single or atomic values which satisfies the requirement of first normal form. Although some data like the subject, instructor, and room appear repeatedly, this repetition is intentionally invalid. The records are repeated because each row corresponds to a different schedule. Even if the subject and instructor are the same, the day and time may be different, making each schedule unique. So this design is necessary in a scheduling system because one subject can be offered multiple times with different schedules. Therefore, the repeated data does not indicate redundancy but represents multiple valid class offerings. However, even though the table satisfies 1NF, some attributes such as instructor details and room information still depend on the subject rather than the entire record. Because of this, the table is not yet in second or third normal form. Further, normalization is needed to reduce redundancy and improve data integrity. In this stage, the database has been transformed from first normal form into second normal form or 2NF. The main goal of 2NF is to remove partial dependencies and reduce unnecessary repetition of data. From the original first NF course offering table, the data was divided into multiple related tables. One of these is the instructor table, which stores instructor information such as instructor ID, name, and email. So this ensures that instructor data are stored only once and are no longer repeated for every schedule. Another table created in 2NF is the enrollment table. This table shows the relationship between student and subject using foreign case. Each record represents a student enrolled in a specific subject, allowing many students to enroll in the same subject without duplicating student or subject details. So by separating the data into these tables, all non-key attributes now depend on the whole primary key and not just a part of it. This eliminates partial dependencies, which is the main requirement of second normal form. So overall, the database in 2NF is more organized, minimize redundancy, and improve data consistency while still accurately representing class schedules and student enrollments. So, our third normal form is a stage of database normalization that helps remove data redundancy and ensures data integrity. In simple terms, it means that all information in our database is stored in the most appropriate table and each piece of data appears only once. Now, let's go through our tables one by one. First, we have the course table or 3NF course table. This table contains the subject code and subject name. Each subject is stored only once and every subject name depends only on its subject code. Next, we have the student table or 3NF student table. It includes the student ID as the primary key and the student name. Each student has a unique ID and all the details depend only on that ID. This avoids duplication of student information. Then we have the instructor table or 3NF instructor table. It contains the instructor ID, instructor name, and email. Each instructor has one unique record and their information depends only on the instructor ID. We also have the room table or 3NF room table. It includes the room ID and room name. Each room is listed once, which prevents repetition of room details. Another important part of our database is the meeting timetable or 3NF meeting timetable. So this table stores the meeting ID, subject code, instructor ID, room ID, day, start time, and end time. It links subjects, instructors, and rooms to show when and where a class takes place. The foreign keys here connect to other tables, ensuring data consistency across the system. Finally, we have the enrollment table or 3NF enrollment table. So this table shows which students are enrolled in which subjects. It uses foreign keys for both subject code and student ID to avoid repeating data like student names or course titles. By designing our database in third normal form, we achieve several benefits. It eliminates redundancy, ensures data accuracy, improves organization, and makes the system easier to maintain. Every table focuses on one concept, and all relationships are managed through primary and parent keys. In short, our 3NF design makes the class scheduling management system more efficient, reliable, and well organized. That's all, and thank you.